Welcome everybody to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we're going to pick the winner for April's giveaway, which was all things Tunisian. There was this Tunisian book. You got a bag with Tunisian hooks, tapestry needles, a row counter and stitch markers. And you also get 2 skeins of this cotton, Deramores cotton yarn, and a little project bag. So you have to be a subscriber for my channel, and I need to check that you are subscribed. If I am not unable to check that you subscribe to my channel, then unfortunately I'm going to have to pick another winner. That is one of the rules of taking part in giveaways. So with further ado, I'm going to turn you round to the computer screen where it's all set up for me to pick the winner. So let's make a start. Okay, so I have put the URL in for the video. Duplicate users, filter comment, which was Africa the answer, and we've got 196 comments. Now you must remember that I need to make sure that you are a subscriber. So good luck everybody, and the winner is Susie M. So let's go across and check Susie M and click her subscriptions, and I do believe I am down here somewhere, unless I've got to scroll past it, which there we are. So she is actually subscribed to me, and she says, thank you for your videos. Tunisia is in North Africa, so congratulations Suze M, you are April's giveaway winner. Well, congratulations Suze M, you won this month's giveaway. Congratulations, and thank you to each and every one of you for taking part. Sorry it wasn't you this time, but there's always May. May's giveaway starts on the 4th of May. And Suze, I need you to email me with your postal address, and I need to give you a word to go back in, find your comment and put a word in, and then we'll go from there and I'll get your prize out to you. And I just want to tell everybody as well, I had to do the random org quite a few times because 1, I couldn't see if you were subscribed to me, and 2, those of you who could see if you were subscribed weren't subscribed to my channel. So I know YouTube do kick you out of subscribers if you subscribe to certain channels. And a few of you I know have been following me a long time, so just double check when you take part in giveaways, not only my giveaway but any giveaways you take part in, make sure that you are actually subscribed to them. And because you take the time to leave a comment, to watch the video, to take part in the giveaway, and then when we go to pick the winner, and if your name comes up and we can't see that you are a subscriber, or that you subscribe, we can see your subscriptions but you're not actually subscribed to the channel, then that seems a little bit unfair. So always double check, because we do appreciate you taking part in our giveaways, because it helps us to maintain our channel, and you know, and your support means everything to us, especially to me. So on that note, congratulations Suze M. Thank you to each and every one of you for taking part. It means everything to me. I had over 200 of you take part in this giveaway, which was just amazing. So take care everybody, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.